Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, today we are going to do the textbook questions of our poem, which we already read through paraphrasing, and the title of which is Miracle. So, we will do the textbook questions of this very poem, which is written by Walt Whitman. So the first question of your textbook is on page number 80, and the first question goes like, the usual view of miracle is that it seldom happens. What does Walt Whitman think about the miracle? So we have to say that the common view about miracles is that they happen very rarely. But we have to say what is the opinion of Walt Whitman about miracles in this poem. So I have compiled the answer of first question over here. I will read it. Walt Whitman had a completely different point of view about miracles. He thinks that miracles do not happen seldom, but are rampant and recurring in nature. So, seldom means the thing which happen very rarely, and rampant means rapidly, the thing that will happen rapidly, or the thing or anything that is separate over a vast area. Then we have recurring. Recurring means occurring repeatedly and periodically. The thing which happiness which takes place repeatedly. So according to the Walt Whitman, he thinks that miracles do not happen seldom. Miracles doesn't happen rarely, but are rampant and recurring in nature. He deals with miracle at every step of in his routine life. So this is the answer which I have compiled for question number 1. For question number 2, the question number 2 is, when you read the poem, you notice that some miracles are from nature, others are connected with people and city life. Make list of these. Notice how Walt Whitman moves from one to another. So we have already understood this poem very well. I think you will listen to this, you will watch these, you will watch last videos few times, and you will get you will get the answer of this question. I will still give you an hint. I will give you a hint about the answer of this second question. You have to say the natural and unnatural things that poet treats as miracles in this poem, and how he has moved from one entity to another entity. For example, the artificial one to natural one. The poet has mentioned here very here a lot of artificial things which includes like the streets of Manhattan, the tall houses, you can say skyscrapers, and he has also mentioned sitting under the tree and talking to somebody. He has also said about having dinner with his loved ones. He has said about the people who are riding the car opposite to him. So these things show the artificial or unnatural things that poet have mentioned over here. Then he has went towards natural things. He has shown us the working nature of honeybee, the animals gazing in the fields, and he has shown us the exquisite curve of moon, which is always considered an example of beauty. And he has also said about the stars, the quiet, which are very quiet and bright. He has said about the ocean, the waves, and the earth. The light and dark, these are the natural things he has mentioned in this poem. And this is all for today. Allah Hafiz.